Chainlink has had a huge crash ever since the middle of May. Chainlink has dropped over 70% from its highs to its lows, and a lot of investors are wondering, why has Chainlink dropped more than almost every other cryptocurrency, and when will Chainlink come back? In today's video, I'm going to explore why I believe Chainlink will be the strongest cryptocurrency this market cycle, and why it will rebound a lot more than every other cryptocurrency. Of course, if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe, and remember, nothing in this channel is financial advice, and you should always do your own research. As you can see, Chainlink has fallen 28.78% week over week, which is a huge drop, and this has brought its price down to $21 per link. Historically, Chainlink does not fall this much, and Chainlink hasn't been 15th on coin market capitalization for quite a while. So as we can see, Chainlink has basically bled a lot more than most other cryptos. Bitcoin has bled 0.79% on the week, Ethereum has bled 15% on the week, and a few other coins have only bled around 15% in the past week. Chainlink, on the other hand, has fallen by about double the amount of all of these other coins. Of course, this is a little bit confusing because lots more good news has been coming out surrounding Chainlink, like their partnership with Orbs, which is meant to help Chainlink and their price feeds. So I am a bit confused as to why Chainlink is dropping so much. As we can see, if we go on the historical snapshots of Chainlink, Chainlink is historically in the top 10. Back in December, Chainlink was number 6 on CoinMarketCap at a price of $13. This isn't really that good gains in the last 6 months for Chainlink because it has corrected by around 70%. So right now, Chainlink really isn't looking that good on coin market capitalization. If we take a look at what Chainlink has done so far, it has had a huge correction, and if we go from the high of around $52 to the low of around $15, this is a 71% correction, which is no joke. So Chainlink has had a huge correction, but if we put this chart on log and have a look at Chainlink macro, we can see Chainlink isn't looking too bad. Chainlink has recently broken below its bull market support band, which is always a very bearish sign, and it has failed to close above the bull market support band, constantly diving back down. However, if we just draw a simple regression line, we can see Chainlink is still sitting above it, and this has happened numerous times before, where Chainlink has dropped below the bull market support band to test this regression band, and over time Chainlink seems to just keep on going up. As you can see, if we look at the past, Chainlink has had a huge correction here. However, if we go all the way back to June of 2020, we can see that Chainlink also had another huge correction from around $20 down. Of course, if we look at Chainlink like this and we see, what's this correction? This is around a 62% correction. This looked like the end. Chainlink had a massive dive right here, and anyone looking at this chart would have been very bearish on Chainlink. The same thing really is happening right now, where Chainlink has had this huge correction, and it does look like it could potentially rebound. However, if we zoom out on Chainlink, we can see Chainlink has stood the test of time. Chainlink continues to go up over time and hasn't had many prolonged corrections. As you can see, Chainlink broke its old all-time highs in June of 2019 and has continued to go up since. So I am very bullish on Chainlink, and it does look like it's just following its normal patterns right now. If we zoom all the way out, it doesn't look too bad. As we know, Chainlink is one of the most fundamentally important cryptocurrencies in the entire market. Chainlink is an oracle that is needed for cryptocurrencies like Ethereum to actually operate. So Chainlink really does have a lot of use in the space, and it really is needed. This is why I am believing that $21 is way too low for Chainlink, and when I see it getting to the bottom of this regression band, this is my time to buy. Honestly, anything under $30 for Chainlink is where I have been buying. This is the cryptocurrency that I've been loading up the most on during this huge dip, and I really do like Chainlink at these prices right now. This, however, is not to say that Chainlink couldn't go lower. When Bitcoin is very bearish, and we can see right now, Bitcoin is sitting well below its moving average. Bitcoin is not looking good whatsoever, and it's trading sideways. And it tends to be when Bitcoin is very bearish and it's sitting something like 20% below its moving average, all of the altcoins tend to go very, very poorly. Bitcoin generally needs to be stable above its moving average for the altcoins to go well. As we can see, over in this period, Bitcoin was stable for roughly 100 or so days, or 80 or so days. And during this time when Bitcoin was stable for 80 or so days, Chainlink was on a bull run. Chainlink was going from $10 all the way to $50 in the space of 100 days. So Chainlink was really going parabolic while Bitcoin was sitting still and holding tight. So generally we need Bitcoin to stay still. As you can see, this is really proven by the Chainlink Bitcoin valuation. Chainlink was low down here in December, however its Bitcoin valuation over doubled. Its Bitcoin valuation actually managed to triple in the space of 150 days. Regardless, when Bitcoin decided to have its massive market correction, Chainlink then bled 44% against Bitcoin. So Chainlink has been underperforming Bitcoin significantly during this correction, and this is what we should expect from altcoins. Also, if we look at Chainlink versus Ethereum, I was thinking Chainlink will bottom out somewhere around this area at the 0.012. However, Chainlink has once again broken down against Ethereum, and Chainlink is generally looking quite bearish against all of these cryptocurrencies. For Chainlink to go better, I do think we need to see Bitcoin come back above its bull market support band and Bitcoin go well into the future, and then I do think we'll have enough to see Chainlink come back up in price and retest its old all-time highs. If we simply just take a macroeconomic view and we just look at Chainlink, it's been going up over time. I think it's a great cryptocurrency. Sure, there is more potential downside for Chainlink. I really hope it doesn't come, but I am prepared with capital. But I do think if we generally continue the trend that we've always been going on, we are going to get some pretty good price action. If we take a look at the trend we've been going on, basically Chainlink is just going up and down, and it's coming back to the regression line, and eventually Chainlink will be hitting those higher valuations. If we simply continue the same returns, Chainlink's going to be something like $500 by 2022. However, I don't believe we are going to continue the same returns. I think the same returns will be slightly diminished, so I do believe Chainlink is going more towards the $300 range, and that is my overall price prediction for this market cycle. Regardless, Chainlink is one of the best performing cryptocurrencies. It always has been, and I don't think this massive correction should be too much of a concern right now. Bitcoin is currently quite bearish. It's hanging around below the bull market support band, and I'd expect that we won't be doing too much until Bitcoin has a decisive breakout. This could be in the next month, or it could be in 6 months. If it's in 6 months, I do believe Chainlink will continue to trade sideways and potentially bleed even more against Bitcoin. Anyway, this is my opinion, and if you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I try to post a video every day or so and haven't been posting too much recently due to an exam period for university. Thanks for watching the video, and if you are a Link Marine, remember to comment down below